In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall BattleCore Arena game from your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this the correct way, you need to go ahead and open Control Panel. So if you can't access this Control Panel, the best way to do it is to go to Start menu and then just search for Control Panel like this. And here it is. If you click on it, it will take you to the same control panel. Here, look for programs and features and then click on it to open. Now this will list all the programs that are already installed and running on your computer. For our case, we are interested in BattleCore Arena game, and here to uninstall it, just click on it and then choose uninstall. Confirm by tapping on yes. And here you'll be redirected to Ubisoft, where you have to log in. And now finally, once you're logged in, you'll have to confirm that indeed you want to uninstall BattleCore Arena. So I'll go ahead and tap on yes. Alternatively, instead of uninstalling it directly from your computer, you can just log into Ubisoft and then go to the uninstallation wizard to do it. As you can see now, the program is no longer on my computer here. Once you're done, now go ahead and close. So that's how you can uninstall your game from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.